Hi, I'm Catherine.
And I'm Jeff. Today we're going to be discussing two of my favorite sealing products, GE Paintable Silicone Supreme Sealant and GE All Projects Paintable Silicone.
Many of the details we will discuss apply to both products, but one of the key differences is that GE Paintable Silicone Supreme Sealant has 10-year mold-free product protection against stain-causing mold and mildew growth. The GE All Projects Paintable Silicone is a 100% waterproof and weatherproof sealant. It has a 30-minute exposure to water and a typical tack-free time is 60 minutes, which means you won't have to wait a long time before using the sealed surface or being able to paint.
GE All Projects Paintable Silicone Sealant can adhere to most wood, ceramic tile, drywall, plaster, metal, laminate, porcelain, granite, vinyl, and plastics. It can be used for a range of interior and exterior paintable projects, including doors, windows, siding trim, baseboard, and molding, and can also be used for most above-water projects where you expect moisture exposure and wish to paint.
Don't forget to mention it's permanently flexible, shrink-proof, and crack-proof. Thank you for taking the time to learn about GE Paintable Silicone Supreme Sealant.
We'll see you next time, and remember, GE branded sealants are the confident choice for your project needs.